really a pleasure to see you all. My name is Eli. I am the chairman of the Cocoa Association of Asia, and on behalf of the executive committee of the Cocoa Association of Asia, I would like to say a very warm welcome to all of you. A big thank you for being here.
For Vietnamese cocoa farmer, when we're talking about sustainable practices, we are trying to diversify crops. We are trying to grow macadamia and cashew together with our cacao trees. Due to climate change, whenever we have lost in cacao crops, we have other income replacement. With that combinations, each crop will support each other to increase the yield of the cacao trees.
We have seen that the demand for Rainforest Alliance and fair trade can benefit our farming communities. So we are actually looking at getting our cocoa plantation certified with Rainforest Alliance and try to register with fair trade as well. Complying with standards will further improve the farmer from the process where it comes from the field to the processing point. Everything will be standardized. So that will be a definite advantage for the cocoa growers.
A lot of cocoa farmers work in groups. What they need right now are successful models. You need to show farmers that certain ways are more successful than the others. And she is now actually also the head of cooperative, but she needs this successful model so she can show it to her members that there are ways to be more successful, and she really needs that.